Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. So this video, the main focus was pink and purple. I kind of turned it into a smoky eye. I am doing some videos that are focusing a little bit more on brighter colors, which is something I feel like you guys don't see much of, because honestly, I really don't play with color as much as I wish I did or as much as I should. I keep it pretty neutral when I'm not filming, or sometimes even when I'm filming. I just keep it a little bit more neutral. But now that summer is coming up, well, we just got into spring, but in Florida it feels like summer. I am trying to play more with colors. I've been really into it lately, so I'm liking it, and I figured why not do videos on it. So this video is going to focus on obviously purples, pinks. My last video focused all on blue, so if you did not check that out, I suggest you guys go and watch that. And my next few videos will also be playing with some more colors as well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this, and let's just jump right into it and get started, guys. Starting with priming my face, I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Face Primer. Next, to prime my lids, I'm going to go in with the Mercier Flawless Fusion Concealer in the color 2N. Moving on to my eyeshadow, I'm going to go in with the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. I'm going to take that rustic brown and apply that to my crease. Next, I'm going to take this pink shadow and apply that also to my crease so that that brown and the pink could both blend together smoothly. Now, moving on to my lid, I'm going to grab that purple eyeshadow and apply that all over my lids. Now, to just make sure that the pink and the purple are all blending together smoothly. For my eyeliner, I'm going to be going in with the LORAC Cosmetics Front of the Line Liquid Liner. Moving on to my face, I'm going to go in with the Forever Undercover Foundation by Dior in the color 25. Then I'm just going to take my beauty blender and make sure that that's all blended out smoothly. To highlight and contour, I'm going to go back in with the Mercier Flawless Fusion Concealers. The contour color is 6W and the highlight color will be 2N. Now to set those highlighted areas, I will be going in with the Mercier Translucent powder. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to go in with the Mercier Candle Glow powder in the color 3. Now to powder contour, I'm going to go in with the Sleek MakeUp FaceForm light palette and take that contour shade and basically go over the areas I went with the cream contour. For my blush, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Radiant Blush Kit. To highlight my face, I'm going to go in with the Mercier Cosmetics Parisian Lights highlighter. I wanted to go in with something that had more of a pink undertone considering the theme of this look. For my waterline, I'm going to go in with the Powder Pink Eyeliner by Marc Jacobs. Now I'm just going to use the same two colors I have on my lid and apply that on the outside of my waterline. So I'm starting with the purple and then I'm going to go right underneath with the pink. Moving on to these lashes, I'm going to go in with the Lights Camera Lashes Mascara by Tarte Cosmetics. Then I'm going to add my falsies, and I am using the Mykonos Lilly lashes. No surprise, I use them in almost all my videos. Now onto my lips, I'm going to be lining my lips with the LA Girl Cosmetics Keep It Spicy Lip Liner. For my lipstick, I'm going to be going in with the Fenty Beauty Single Lipstick, and then I'm just going to blend these two products together. And after this, we are all set. Thanks so much for watching, guys.
Yeah.